We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
According to the United States Department of Agriculture (USDA), raw chicken can be kept in your fridge approximately 1 to 2 days. Cooked chicken should be refrigerated in an airtight container. 4. If you need to store chicken for longer than a few days, it's best to store it in your freezer.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.